Step-by-step guide to doing scaption raises with dumbbells at a 30 degrees angle. 1. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a pair of light dumbbells at your sides with a neutral grip, palms facing in. Keep a soft bend in your knees, core engaged. 2. Starting position. Arms relaxed at your sides. Elbows slightly bent, not locked. Rotate your arms so your thumbs point slightly upward, like pouring out a jug but opposite. The raise, scaption. Lift your arms in a V, shape at about 30 degrees, forward from your sides, between a front raise and side raise. Raise until arms are about shoulder height, no higher. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears. 4. Hold and stretch. Pause briefly at the top, feeling the stretch across your shoulders. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades gently together. 5. Return. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position with control. 12 reps, 3 sets. Thanks for watching.